Take a slow, gentle breath in and release it softly. Again, inhale calmly and exhale fully. Allow your body to settle. Allow your breath to slow. Allow your awareness to turn inward. Anxiety is not danger. It is energy without direction, and it can be calmed. In a moment, I will count down from 10 to 1. With each number, you will enter a calm, grounded state where the body feels safe, the mind slows, and balance returns. Let's begin. 10. Breathing slows. 9. The body softens. 8. Tension eases. 7. Thoughts slow down. 6. Awareness turns inward. 5. Halfway now. Calm and supported. 4. The body feels safe. 3. The nervous system settles. 2. A sense of stability forms. 1. You enter calm, grounded awareness. In this steady state, bring gentle awareness to any anxious feeling. You do not resist it. You do not analyze it. You simply notice it. Anxiety softens when it is met with calm presence. Repeat inwardly. I notice anxiety without judgment. I remain present. Awareness steadies me. Now gently bring attention to your body. Notice where you are supported. Notice your breath. The body exists in the present moment, where safety lives. Anxiety fades as awareness returns to the body. Repeat softly. I return to my body. I am here. I am supported. Again, bring focus to your breath. Slow, even, steady. With each exhale, your nervous system receives a signal of safety. Your muscles soften, your heart rate steadies, and the body shifts out of alarm. Repeat inwardly. My breath calms my system. Safety spreads through my body. Calm replaces tension. Now allow your thoughts to slow and space out. You do not chase them. You allow them to drift. The mind does not need to solve anything right now. Quiet creates relief. Repeat slowly. My mind can rest. Thoughts slow naturally. Clarity returns. Now notice any urge to control, to anticipate, to prepare for every outcome. You allow that effort to soften. You do not need complete certainty to feel safe. Repeat gently. I release the need to control. I allow uncertainty. I trust this moment. Now imagine a feeling of safety settling into your body. Warm, stable, reassuring. Your body recognizes this state. It knows how to return here. Repeat inwardly. I am safe right now. Courage is accessible to me. My body knows how to relax. Allow these truths to settle deeply. Anxiety is temporary. Courage is always available. I can return to balance. These beliefs become familiar, steady, supportive. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 10. With each number, you will return gently, calm, grounded, and clear. 1. Awareness begins to rise. 2. Breath deepens. 3. Gentle energy returns. 4. The body feels present. 5. Balanced and calm. 6. Awareness expands outward. 7. You feel steady and supported. 8. Eyes feel lighter. 9. Take a deep breath in and out. 10. Eyes open, fully awake, calm, grounded, moving forward beyond anxiety.